Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name is Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's trading video. Now in today's trading video, it's going to be a slightly different one. We're going to be going through a couple of different strategies on this video, not just the one. So as all of you know, and if you've watched any of our previous videos, we obviously provide trading analysis each day as well as one-to-one mentoring every single week with our clients. On our trading floor analysis, we sort of provide some trading opportunities on there. One of those strategies is our short-term day trading strategy, and another one that we have, which is used via our algorithm, is our extreme zone strategy, and that one actually triggered in this week on the NZD/USD. So we're going to take a look at the analysis first to get an understanding of how the analysis is provided. Then we'll take you to the algorithm and show you the trades. So if we look at the analysis, this is the members area where members can log into every single day for trading information, day trades, longer term trades, just generally trading opportunities from a technical and fundamental analysis. It's a fantastic resource to sort of scroll down and use, because it means that you're getting completely reassured for the day, you knowing what you should be looking at and what you shouldn't be looking at. So it's a really nice thing to have there for your support. Obviously the one-to-one mentoring would be there to teach you exactly how to do this yourself, and that's obviously the idea behind the mentoring, is to give you the ability to be able to be proficient at trading. Now if we're going to take you to the algorithm, okay, we've got 3 trades in total. We've got 1 extreme zone trade, and we've got 2 short-term important trading zone trades. So the first extreme zone trade was right here on the NZD/USD. This was on the Wednesday, the 13th of Feb. So you can see how the market spiked off some serious news. You can then see it hits our extreme sell zone just here. So anyone who's used the algorithm, anyone who's seen the algorithm on a consultation, will know that these extreme zones are pretty much the extreme cap of the day. That's why we call them the extreme sell zone. So if they trigger in, you should always take them, regardless of news, because they're pretty much your extreme cap. These ones we found to have a very high percentage success rate, well over 80% when these zones trigger. So, out of 10 zones, you should get at least 8 winners of these extreme zones. The stop losses that you use for these extreme zones is a little wider than our day trades. It's around 30 pips or so. And the take profit, we go for around 50 pips on these. So you can see in regards to the stop loss, would have been no problem whatsoever. With a 30 pip stop loss, that would have been well up here, nowhere near where the price actually went to in the end. And you can see that it did reach our 50 pip target in the end, just about. So it's a kind of fantastic trade to take, the extreme zones, because there's no real analysis required in that the algorithm has provided you with an extreme cap for the day. So it's a fantastic way to sort of use that resource, especially when the market is very volatile at a particular moment in time. The next 2 trades that we had, which are ones that you might have seen before, is if you've watched any of the previous videos, is major cap trades that we've had. So we actually had 2 on the euro this week. We had 1 on the Monday. Major cap stands for our important trading zone. So what we do with all these zones that appear here is we label the most relevant and important ones that we believe should reverse. So you've got in here, major cap comes into play on the Monday, and obviously it takes till the next day really for it to hit its target, but it does go and hit its target in the end. And then we had our most recent one just yesterday, the euro major cap just here at 1300. You can see it easily goes to hit its target in the end with no problem at all. So in regard to the number of pips produced from these 2, you're looking at a minimum of 25 each. Okay, so you're looking at 50 pips based on those 2 trades. Then we had 1 more trigger, which was the GBP/USD on Monday. Again, you can see, similar to euro, I guess, is that it triggered in the middle of the day and sort of took a little bit of time to then hit target, pretty much till the next day. Around midday it hit its target. Okay. So in regard to the number of pips produced out of all of these trades, you're looking at 25 each for the short-term trade, 75, plus your 50 for your extreme zone. So you're looking at a sort of a total of 125 pips. based on just those 4 trades. So, very efficient trading, and that's what we're looking for whenever we're looking to take trades in the market, is to be efficient and to reduce risk as much as possible. So what we're actually providing is providing access to the algorithm, to the analysis, on a completely free consultation call. So you go to our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. You click on the top right hand corner where it says free consultation. You don't have to click there, you can leave your details on the home page as well. Pop your details into this area. One of our traders, account managers will get in touch with you. They'll briefly ask you about your trading experience, then get you booked in for a full one-to-one consultation with one of the traders, where you can really get an idea of whether this is going to be something that you want to do and want to bring into your life. So I just want to say thank you very much for watching today's video. Really do appreciate that, and we look forward to speaking to everyone next week. And don't forget to like and subscribe the video to keep up to date. Thank you.